Welcome back, Keymasters! Can you pass this ultimate human body quiz? Let's find out! You will get 35 questions and you have 6 seconds to answer. Let's get started! What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. How many bones are in the adult human body? 206. Which part of the body is responsible for pumping blood? Heart. What is the name of the muscle that makes the heart beat? Cardiac muscle. How many chambers does the human heart have? 4. The human brain has how many main parts? 3. What is the largest part of the human brain? Cerebrum. What is the main function of red blood cells? Carry oxygen. Which organ is primarily responsible for digestion? Stomach. What is the name of the protein that helps carry oxygen in red blood cells? Hemoglobin. Which organ is responsible for detoxification? Liver. What is the function of the small intestine? Absorbs nutrients. What is the longest bone in the human body? Femur. What type of joint is the knee? Hinge. Which part of the nervous system controls involuntary actions like breathing and heart rate? Medulla oblongata. What is the largest gland in the human body? Thyroid gland. The bones in the human body are made mostly of what substance? Calcium. Which system of the body is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients? Circulatory system. Which part of the body is responsible for controlling temperature? skin. What is the name of the tube that connects the throat to the stomach? Esophagus. Which part of the body contains the most amount of water? Blood. What is the role of platelets in the blood? Help with clotting. Which muscle is primarily responsible for breathing? Diaphragm. Which part of the body is the primary site for the absorption of nutrients? Small intestine. What is the name of the cells that fight infections in the body? White blood cells. Which disease affects the lungs? Asthma. Which part of the human body is responsible for filtering waste from the blood? Kidneys. How many pairs of ribs do humans have? Twelve. What part of the body does the femur belong to? Leg. Which type of muscle is responsible for voluntary movements? Skeletal muscle. What is the largest artery in the human body? Aorta. What is the primary function of the lungs? Remove carbon dioxide. Which sense organ helps us to maintain balance? Ears. The human body has how many primary senses? Five. What part of the eye controls the amount of light that enters? Iris. Take your next challenge and make sure to subscribe.